Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a Monday evening in November. The time's just gone 5:30. I've got a order on Uber Eats, but that's going to work. Great Bentley. We've got an order on Uber Eats. This one's paying £6 odd, but there is a quest on Uber between 5 and 9, an extra £18 for 12 deliveries. I'm gonna see if I can do it. It's cold to say the least. It is proper winter now, but yeah, that won't stop us. We'll still work. I'll cut the camera now and I'll see you lot when I get to the fish and chip shop. Right, just over there is a fish and chip shop. All of the Christmas lights have been put up now as well. Right, M&A fish bar. Oh, turn it on. Alright, mate. Richard. Cheers, dude. Nine minutes, 2 miles. Alright. Let's go. Hello, mate. There you go.
Cheers.
Got it? Thank you. Have a good evening. Right. And back on with Deliveroo, saying it's busy. I'll bring you back in once I've got the next order on my screen. So it's been about 5 minutes or so. Been given our next order for Sainsbury's. And Sainsbury's is literally through that little estate bit. And this is going into Little Collecton. So one of the villages on the way out of Collecton towards Colchester. Bottom, yeah. Just paying £5.90. We are pulling up to Sainsbury's. Right, how many items have we got? One item. A bottle of wine.
There you go.
Thank you. Oh. Here we go, 3.1 miles, 16 minutes. Oh, great. Rain. It says it wasn't supposed to rain, but it does anyway. To go through the country lanes, and good luck to us. If I remember rightly, this don't have no ramp. Oh, it does. Go on.
Thank you, sorry.
You're welcome.
Sorry.
Oh, mate. What a result. What a result. Oh, This is the bypass that runs out of Clacton. So it connects to the A12 to go towards London. I've never walked over this bridge before. But it's good. It's good that there is spirals. What's that, £10? Oh no. Wee, bro. Oh, mate. It's about to get messy. Oh, mate, this road is not paved properly, mate. I've delivered down here once before. It's all mud. It's a mud track with like stones. This one? Hello.
30 is the number.
I need to see ID as well.
Give me 2 seconds.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Got to scan it. There you go.
Unfortunately, I am opening.
Oh no, it's just their policies.
Yeah, I
It's
work at
different.
Morrison's. I have to do the online stuff like Deliveroo and all that, and it is.
Yeah. Because you could be a mystery shopper and we can have
Exactly,
accounts
we get the
deactivated.
same our end.
Thanks for understanding.
Okay.
Have a good evening, thank you. Right. That is that one done. Right. I'll bring you back in once we're back in Clacton and I've got the next order. And Rain, please go away. I've just been given a Morrison's order. It's going into town, I'm going that way anyway. Morrison's is literally just there. Take me 2 minutes to get to. If that really. Oh hey. So I'll see you when we get to Morrison's. Oh hey. We are just pulling up to Morrison's now. Wait. Oh dream.
Even if it's not open.
Hello, E4118.
Nothing here yet, mate.
Alright. What we're saying, guys? New delivery vehicle? That's the only thing we're waiting in this place. It takes forever. Okay, so I'm dropping that one. But I've got an order from the petrol station. Alright. The thing is with the superstore, I was waiting 15 minutes already and they said, oh, it's going to be another 10 minutes. No. I'd rather lose out on money and then just do orders. So well, now it's literally that, the petrol garage. Hey, hurry up! Jesus Christ! Wow, but the rain hasn't stopped. Got very wet. Hello.
It's 2 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, mate. Verified. Cheers, dude. Bye bye. Alright. I'm gonna order 16 minutes. Yes. 3.2 miles, 16 minutes. corner. Oh, shit. Thank you. That's alright. Cheers, man. Have a good evening. Right. I'll bring you back in once I get the next order. Yo, I don't know what's happening with my DJI Osmo Action 4. The files are not writing to the card properly, but yeah. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment what you would like to see me do in the future, in like future videos and stuff, like crazy challenges and stuff. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year, so every subscribe means the world to me. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.